Salamat DMW!
To our overseas Filipino workers joining us from different parts of the world and of course their families who are joining us. Welcome to Likha Global.
DMW ang inyong tahanan, tahanan ng OFW. So welcome sa inyong tahanan ngayong umaga.
Allow me to congratulate the DMW for the success of Likha Global. Through this competition, our overseas Filipino workers get the opportunity to transform big business ideas into something real, concrete, and within arm's reach. This program reflects the SEC's belief that financial empowerment should reach all sectors and social classes of society, which includes the country's valiant OFWs.
It's not just about putting those products. Kaya po andito ang SEC, kaya po namin kayo dinala dito sa SEC para po doon sa basic na kaalaman na dapat niyong matutunan bilang mga future successful OFW negosyante.
Sabi ko sa kapwa fellowship ko OFW, itry nyo din na sumali sa mga ganitong programa para magkaroon kayo ng chance na manalo at magkaroon ng panimulang negosyo.
Tonight is a celebration of ideas, perseverance, and new beginnings. It is also a powerful reminder that wherever our OFWs may be, time spent overseas is all part of their journey home. Likha means linangin ang kakayahan sa kabuhayan awards. Is a journey we started in June with Likhang Kababaihan, empowering our returned women OFWs. We set sail and continued with Likhang Marino in September, supporting our returned seafarers. And now, with Likha Global, we open the doors to all active OFWs.
Salamat DMW! Salamat DMW!
It is an honor to join you today as we celebrate the finalists of the Likha Global. This initiative of the migrant workers is more than a competition. It symbolizes the potentials of every Filipino working abroad who dreams of returning home with more than what they left the country with.
DMW, thank you so much for this opportunity and life-changing experience. And to my fellow OFWs, pursue your dream and go back home.
Once again, congratulations to all our Likha Global winners. We look forward to helping you transform your hard work into enterprise and to your homecoming. And soon, your business ribbon cutting. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang ating mga OFW entrepreneurs.